What is Naruto? Naruto is a famous Japanese anime that tells the story of a young ninja named Naruto Uzumaki. He is a boy full of energy and dreams. His biggest goal is to become the Hokage, the leader of his village, and gain respect from everyone. But life is not easy for Naruto. Naruto lives in a village called Konoha, also known as the Hidden Leaf Village. When he was a baby, a powerful beast called the Nine-Tails Fox attacked the village. To save the people, the fourth Hokage sealed the beast inside Naruto. Because of this, many people in the village fear or dislike Naruto. They think he is dangerous even though he is just a child. Despite this, Naruto does not give up. He wants to prove to everyone that he is more than just the boy with the nine tails. He trains hard to become a strong ninja. Along the way, he makes friends, faces enemies, and learns important lessons about life, friendship, and courage. Naruto is not alone on his journey. He has a team of friends who help him. There is Sasuke Uchiha, a talented but serious ninja who has a painful past. There is also Sakura Haruno, a smart girl who dreams of becoming a strong ninja and helping others. Their teacher is Kakashi Hatake, a calm and wise ninja with a mysterious past. The anime is full of exciting moments. Naruto fights against dangerous enemies and protects his friends. He also learns about teamwork and never gives up, even when things are hard. His determination inspires everyone around him. But Naruto is not just about battles. It also shows the importance of kindness, forgiveness, and understanding others. Many characters have deep stories, and Naruto helps them find peace. Naruto's story is divided into two parts. The first part shows his life as a young boy learning to be a ninja. The second part, called Naruto Shippuden, shows him as a teenager facing even bigger challenges. Over the years, Naruto has become one of the most loved anime in the world. Fans enjoy its mix of action, humor, and heartfelt moments. It teaches us to believe in ourselves, follow our dreams, and never give up, no matter how difficult life becomes. So if you like stories about bravery, friendship, and never giving up, Naruto is the anime for you. It is a story that touches the hearts of people of all ages.